Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you planning to visit New Zealand, whether for a holiday, visiting family, or even working remotely for a short period? You'll need a visitor visa or an NZETA before you travel. Let's break down the process step by step. First, find out if you need a visa. If you're an Australian citizen, you don't need one. Otherwise, you'll need either a NZETA or a visitor visa, depending on your country of origin. Applying online is the fastest and easiest method. You can also submit a paper application, but ensure all required documents are provided, or Immigration New Zealand may return it. Visa fees vary based on nationality and application method. Online applications are generally cheaper. Fees range from New Zealand dollars 100 to New Zealand dollars 341 plus an additional New Zealand dollars 100 per applicant towards the International Visitor Conservation and Tourism Levy, IVL in short. It funds tourism and conservation projects in New Zealand. Processing times differ, so apply well in advance. A visitor visa allows you to stay for up to 6 months if multiple entry, or 9 months if it's a single entry visa. You cannot work for a New Zealand employer but can study for up to 3 months. News for digital nomads. If you enter on an NZETA or a visitor visa, you can work remotely for an overseas employer for up to 90 days. If you stay longer, you might need to pay New Zealand taxes. To support your application, you'll need proof of onward travel or funds to buy a return ticket, evidence of financial support or a sponsor, proof of good character and health, translations for any documents not in English. Immigration New Zealand checks if you are genuinely visiting for the reasons stated in your application. This to confirm your bona fide intentions for your travel. You must plan to stay temporarily, adhere to your visa conditions, and leave New Zealand before your visa expires. With the visitor visa, you can travel for holidays, visiting family and friends, amateur sports, or getting married. To strengthen your visa application, consider including your travel history, passport stamps on previous visas, evidence of home country ties, job, study, family, and property, accommodation and activity bookings in New Zealand, letters from your employer confirming return to work. Providing evidence of your ties to your home country can help prove your intention to return. This may include employment contracts or letters from your employer stating your return date, proof of ongoing studies such as university enrollment documents, property ownership or rental agreements, family commitments such as dependents or spouses. Every traveler, including children, must complete the New Zealand Traveller Declaration. It's free and can be done online or via the NZTD app. Often clients seek clarification: can I convert my visa to work or study when in New Zealand? There's no direct conversion process, but you can apply for a different visa type while in New Zealand. Key points to keep in mind: you cannot simply convert one visa to another. You must apply separately for a new visa. INZ will assess whether you meet the new visa criteria. Your application must demonstrate bona fide intentions, meaning you genuinely plan to return to your home country when required. If you wish to extend your stay or transition to another visa, you can explore options in the instance you receive a job offer while on a visitor visa, or if you decide to study. You can consider applying for these visas, provided you meet the eligibility criteria. Checking if you qualify for the accredited employer work visa, applying for a student visa if you plan to study further, switching to a partner visa if you have a New Zealand citizen or resident partner. Ensure you meet and can satisfy all the requirements prescribed for the relevant visa before applying. And be aware that working on a visitor visa without proper authorization can result in penalties. Be thorough when submitting your applications. Incomplete or false information can lead to delays or visa rejections. If you have a visa denied before, include a letter explaining why. That's everything you need to know about applying for a New Zealand visitor visa. Make sure to double check requirements, apply early, and get ready for an incredible journey. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments. And finally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and insightful content on Australia and New Zealand visas. For more information, use the contact details on screen to connect with us. See you in the next video.